Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So, I look like a mess. No makeup on, I'm absolutely sweating, I'm bright red because it is literally like 30 degrees out. And my house is sweltering. But you're not going to see much of me in this video anyway. This video has been requested by a couple people. So I thought I would just film it, and it is a room tour. To show like how my room's laid out, obviously because I am sharing a room with my little boy. Obviously, I'm still pregnant, but like when he's here I'll be sharing a room with him, and obviously like my boyfriend part-time. So yeah, if you want to see my room and where I keep all his stuff and things like that, then just carry on watching. Okay, so this is my door. This is the view when you like walk in from my room, and I don't even know how to do these videos. I'm just going to wing it. First thing I have here is my mirror. Yeah. Here's my bump. Yeah, so here we have my mirror. And this is just the boring bit. Then I just have like a bedside table. Obviously the fan, obviously the water because absolutely sweating. And then I just have like my stretch mark cream there. In these drawers, it's nothing exciting. This is literally a junk drawer. So this one here is just a junk drawer, and this one here is it's kind of a junk drawer too. It's got all my perfumes at the bottom. It's got a foot pump, baby wipes, all sorts. My pregnancy notes are here just because I had used them yesterday and I went midwife. And then I just have my bed, which I've made really crap and there's an eyelash on there, so I was really prepared for this video. Got the basic British girl bed, but do you know what, I don't care, I love it. And then I have these prints on my wall. These two are slightly wonky, just ignore it. And they're not meant to be level, by the way. Like, that one's meant to be lower. Yeah, I haven't put them up really wonky. Yeah, so just got my bed, which I love. Then here have like my window, obviously, and then at the minute I'm just keeping the baby's Moses basket here. This isn't staying here. Obviously when he's born, that'll be moved next to my bed and downstairs during the day, things like that. But for now it's just there because why not, there's space. And this is what his little Moses basket looks like. Absolutely love this. It's a little pod one. It's like a rocking stand. And then I just have his heartbeat teddy in there at the minute. Obviously that's not going to be there when he sleeps in there, but it's in there for now. Okay, then on my windowsill I just have his 4D 16-week scans. This will look like it's 16 weeks, kind of scary, yep. And then I just have like a basket of crap. Have like a little Doppler in there and stuff. And just some decorative stuff. Then I just have my wardrobe, which is here, and I have like pink voile curtains up. Not even going to open that because inside there is a complete and utter mess. Then I have my telly because I don't use it, but every time my boyfriend's around, he uses it. So I'm just keeping it there. It doesn't bother me. Then I have my dressing table here. You know, it's just a dressing table. My little mirror and stuff. Nothing exciting. This is all just junk in these drawers. And in here, it's like my everyday makeup. Again, I've ruined this. Should have got a glass topper for it, but I didn't. Yeah, so that cupboard is just full of utter junk. This drawer is also just full of junk. Yep, so here is my dressing table. Next to that, we just have my birthing ball because I need to be on that. Then we have baby's wardrobe, which I have filmed a whole video on, which If you haven't watched that, go watch it. But it has changed slightly. I have a lot more clothes in there now. I have nappies all down the side now. And on top here, I just have, like, this wasn't here before. I have his diaper caddy, that is nappy caddy thing for downstairs. I have his little memory box, which at the minute just has my scan pictures and my pregnancy tests. Have some little milestone cards. And this box, which I'm going to use for bigger memories. And that's all that's changed in there. Okay, then next to his wardrobe here is, these are my makeup drawers. So in here I have all my makeup that's not everyday makeup. And then on top I just have like a little candle, little tea light holder, a lamp. I need a new one. I have this thermometer, and as you can see, it's currently 28 degrees in my bedroom, which is why I'm absolutely sweating. And then I just have my Alexa, which is plugged in, so I don't know why it didn't answer me, but there we go. And then we have his cot. I absolutely love this so much. This canopy here is from literally just from Amazon, if anyone's wondering. I think it was like £25. It just hangs from the ceiling, so I've just got that over it. His cot is I can't remember where it's from, but it's a sleigh cot. It's a mini one, a mini sleigh cot bed, so this turns into a bed as well. Love it. And then over here in the corner, I just have a little teddy that says Grayson on, because obviously that's his name. Love these sheets. I've got his little mobile here, which like spins, plays music, has a projector on it that projects like up into here, and it has like lights and stuff. So I've got his little mobile, and then here I have his little sound machine for like white noise. So that's that. And then underneath here I have a drawer, and this drawer is the biggest lifesaver ever. In here I have all his blankets, and yes, he has a lot of blankets. I love a blanket, so he just has so many blankets, but I absolutely love them. And then this here is a bigger grow bag when he's older. And then here we have all his bath towels, because there was nowhere in the bathroom for them, so I thought I'd just keep them in here, but his toiletries are in the bathroom now. So that's everything in the drawer, and this drawer is literally the biggest lifesaver ever. I wanted to make sure I definitely got a cot with a drawer in it. And then next to the cot, I just have my hospital bags. Again, my door needs painting, so just ignore it. Yep, just got my hospital bags. And then on the wall here, I have this little cubby shelf, which is from Jojo Mama Baby, whatever it's called. And on here, I have this little photo frame. This was actually one of the decorations at my baby shower. And I'll just like, if you want to read that, you can pause it and read it. But it's a really cute little thing. I just have this little teddy bear here. On the wall here, I have a little G, so his name's Grayson. And then I have my 12-week scan. So I thought that was really cute. And that's literally my room. It's not the biggest, but there we go. Also behind my mirror, I'm storing his play mats and this little sit me up thing at the minute, because there's nowhere else to put them. So that is the end of my room tour. Again, I'm a sweaty mess, but this is the reality of it being hot. Yes, that is the end of my room tour. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe down below if you are new or you haven't already. Also comment down below any other video suggestions, as I want to be obviously making videos that you actually want to watch. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.